sir. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you boys okay?
You just chasing me, bro. I didn't have nothing on you, jackass.
Oh. You guys need a transport, you could come in, hop in.
Sir, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Look like he logged.
Back it up. Look, he logged on you.
I know, I'm trying to wait till he disappeared from my video.
Hey, what would you do for that?
I'll make you famous.
I don't want to make me famous, I'm already famous.
Matter of fact, he hit a pedestrian. He committed a 1.8.
Come on, chase me.
Man, you didn't do anything to me wrong.
Hey, Miles, he committed a 1.8. You need to see his driver's license.
Who? I got
That black car.